In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and log into the Basecamp app on your Android device. Basecamp is a powerful project management tool that helps you stay organized, whether you're working on personal projects or collaborating with a team. Let's walk through this step-by-step process to get you set up and ready to use Basecamp right from your phone. First, you'll want to unlock your Android device and navigate to the Google Play Store. This is where you'll find the Basecamp app, which is essential for accessing your projects on the go. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type in Basecamp. As you type, you may see some suggestions pop up, but go ahead and tap on the one that simply says Basecamp. This will take you to the app's page. Now that you're on the Basecamp app page, you should take a moment to look over the app's details if you're curious about its features or reviews. But most importantly, you'll see a button somewhere on the screen that says Install. Go ahead and tap that. The download might take a moment, especially if you're on a slower internet connection, so be patient. Once it's downloaded, the installation will begin automatically, and then you'll see the app appear on your home screen or app drawer. The next step is to open the Basecamp app. Tap its icon to launch it. When the app opens, you'll be greeted with the login screen. Here's where you'll enter your credentials. First, type in the email address that's associated with your Basecamp account. Be sure to double-check your entry for typos, because even a small mistake here can prevent you from successfully logging in. Next, if you typically use a password to access Basecamp, go ahead and enter it when prompted. However, if your account is linked to a Google account, or you're using another single sign-on method, you might see a handy button that says Sign in with Google or something similar. Tap on that button to proceed with your Google credentials if that's what you prefer. Once you've entered your email and password or used your linked sign-in method, it's time to log in. Tap the Login button, or whatever similar option is available, to enter the app fully. And just like that, once you're signed in, you'll be greeted with your projects and the account dashboard. Here you can manage tasks, look at deadlines, and really dive into what Basecamp has to offer. So that's it. You're all set up to use Basecamp on your Android device. With this app in your pocket, you're ready to tackle projects anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing.